Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, my name's Anthea and I create fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. So if you enjoy hauls, unboxings, reviews, that kind of thing, please do consider hitting the red subscribe button down below, and whilst hitting that red subscribe button, please do make sure you hit that notification bell, and that way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a collective haul. Fashion haul, clothes haul, no accessories in this one. So these are a few pieces that I've picked up and added to my wardrobe. Some of these pieces probably won't go into spring summer, some of them will, some of them are kind of more, I suppose, autumn winter, but I wanted to share them with you anyway because depending on where you are in the world, the weather's not deciding if it wants to be spring summer or if it wants to go back to autumn winter. So some of these items I potentially could still wear now just because the temperature is very much up and down. So I am going to do a try on, and so you will see them on. If you do have any questions about anything, please do leave them in the comment section down below and I will respond to you as quick as humanly possible. Anything that is still available, I will leave links to them as well in the description box. So anything you're interested in, please do check them out there. Size wise as well, I will put all that information in the description box so you can check that out, just in case I forget to mention it as I go through, which I probably will because that's how I do sometimes. So the first item that we have is this beautiful cropped tweed Chanel-esque blazer from Mango. Now I have been on the hunt for one of these for the longest time. I love the classicness of this, but what I didn't want to do is buy anything too expensive. I did check one out in Mango a little while back, and for the price point it felt really cheap, and it had like bright things like gold buttons, and I thought, no, I don't want all that. So I saw this online and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna give it a go. I'm gonna chance it. I think it was in the sale, can't remember, it might have well been in the sale. So I thought, I'm gonna chance it, and when I say it is perfection, the quality is great, the fit is great, it's exactly as I wanted it. So in this, what I've started with is just basically black on black on black. So I've gone with just a plain black t-shirt, or you could go with a blouse or whatever you wanted underneath, and then I've paired this also with a pair of cropped black jeans, and I would style this with a pair of either chunky loafers. I've got a chunky pair of loafers from All Saints, or I have the Gucci loafers as well. So either or, depending on kind of the weather, I suppose. So whereas now it's been quite rainy, I'd probably go with the chunky, but obviously like in the summer, if I was going to wear it with maybe like a vest or something, I'd probably go with the Gucci ones because they're a little bit lighter. So that is that. I picked this up in a size medium, and as I say, it's beautiful. It is really, really good quality. So if you are interested, I would run, not walk, to Mango and see if they've still got this in stock. And yeah, go for it. It's definitely worth the money. And then next we have a lovely jacket I picked up from Nordstrom. Now this was a buy that I picked up because I saw Politics and Fashion, one of my YouTube family that I love to watch. So yeah, big up her channel. I will leave a link to her channel down below. And it's the take on the YSL jacket, which is thousands and thousands of pounds. Now, I think the jacket is a beautiful jacket, the YSL jacket. However, I don't have thousands and thousands of pounds to spend on a jacket. And to be fair, I feel like if I did have thousands and thousands of pounds, I don't think that would be something that I would, use that money for. Just because I feel like it's not, for me, it's not a classic. I feel like it's a very on-trend piece. And after a while, I feel like it'll become dated. So what I did want is that kind of look, but obviously for less. So I picked up this jacket from Nordstrom. Now I went out of my comfort zone. I normally just go for a black jacket, but with this one I went for a burgundy kind of colour. It's faux leather, it's not real leather. Price point, I can't quite remember. Again, I will leave links to everything in the description box so you can check it out. Fits really well. This I would wear with, you could wear it with jeans. I've chosen this particular styling to wear it with a long black maxi dress, knitted one. So this is something I can wear now with the weather being a little bit cooler, but then also when the weather gets a little bit warmer, say spring, I will be able to wear this with maybe like a white vest underneath and like, you know, cut off shorts. You know, there's multiple ways that I'd be able to wear this jacket, but in this particular one, as I say, I've styled this with just a plain black knitted maxi dress. And yeah, I feel like the plain black and then the pop of the burgundy, just, yeah, I think it's a nice, simple but effective look. And then next we've got another jacket. Now there is other things than jackets in here, however, I'm just showing you what I got. So this I picked up from Zara. Now this jacket, I have had many ideas of how to wear this. So this is another kind of crop jacket. I'd say more like a denim jacket kind of flex. So it's got the way it's kind of constructed, but it looks like it's like a felt material. And I thought this again would look really good. I would wear it potentially just as a top with jeans underneath, or again I could wear this unbuttoned with whatever underneath, and with I feel like this would look really nice with a pencil denim kind of midi length skirt. In this particular one, I've decided to pair it with a white t-shirt, and then I've just got my like light wash denims, and then I've just popped on a pair of trainers on with this just to keep it really simple. But again, if I wanted to dress this up, I would easily be able to dress this up, no problem. But I feel like with the weather kind of changing, this is a perfect kind of item to be able to transition into the summertime easily. It wasn't quite warm enough for the winter, but definitely spring, summer appropriate. And then next we have a pair of jeans that I picked up from Zara. Now these are kind of a loose fit denim jean. I like these because I wear a lot of skinny jeans. I'm still one of those who love to wear skinny jeans. I will wear skinny jeans until the day I die. So that's that. But at the same time, I did want to kind of add some kind of different style of denim into my denim wardrobe. So I picked these up, and again, this is just something that's really simple. I can wear them now when it's kind of a little bit cooler with maybe like a sweater, a little jumper. Or when it gets warmer, I can just wear this with either a crop top, or I can wear it with a vest. Again, it's a denim pair of pants. There's so many different ways you can wear it. So, but again, I feel like I'm trying to, what's the word I'm looking for? I'm trying to maximize my denim wardrobe rather than just sticking to what I usually stick to, which, as I say, is skinny jeans. So I decided to add these in, and I love them. These were on sale. I don't think I'd be able to find these again, but again, if I can, I will leave them in the description box down below for you. Okay, don't say no. Don't say I don't treat you. And then next we have a two-piece that I picked up from, I think it's Stradivarius, I think that's what it's called. And I picked this up. It's a brown two-piece, so it's a brown top with a fitted top with a hood, and then it is a brown fitted maxi skirt as well. Now this I thought was a really nice, easy, simple outfit to put together. So again, you can wear these together or you can wear them separately. In this video, I've chosen to wear them together, and I think for me, the way I would wear this would either be, depending on what the weather's like, I'd probably pair this with my oversized leather jacket, and then maybe some boots or some trainers. Or then when it gets a little bit warmer, maybe I'd just put an oversized denim jacket over this. Again, I feel like it would work really well. And as I say, this is something that I can wear either, you know, together or separately easily. And the quality of this is really nice. It's a nice, I don't want to say thick as in like overly thick that you'll be sweating, but it's not really thin, so when you put it on, you know, you can't see through anything like that. It's pretty decent quality actually. I'm really pretty impressed with it. So that is the Stradivarius two-piece, what's it called? Cord. Yeah, cord set. Cord. And then next we have this skirt that I picked up from Zara. Now, I feel like over the Christmas period, Zara did a lot of bling stuff. They did a bling it was Christmas, so obviously when it comes to Christmas, a lot of sparkle, glitz, glamour. That's fair enough. Now this skirt I picked up, and I picked it up in the sale, thankfully, and it is. I just love this skirt. Now, do I know where I'm going to wear this? No. Will I find somewhere to wear this? Yes. Now, how I've chosen to style it in this particular video is I've kind of pared it down because the skirt itself does a lot. So basically it is this maxi diamante skirt, and it has a split on the back. It's absolutely beautiful. Now, as I say, I would wear this dressed up or dressed down. Now this I feel like would look really nice with a plain white crop tee. And then I would probably rock some trainers with this, because I feel like if I was going to wear this and I wasn't going out, let's say I was going for, I don't know, afternoon drinks, something like that, but I wanted to be a little bit dressed up, I feel like that'd be awesome, because I'd be able to put on my trainers. I'm still got the element of dressy up with the sparkle, but then I just feel like, yeah, that for me is where I see this. But then at the same time, if I felt like I wanted to wear, you know, out, I could wear a nice little, I don't know, sheer top underneath, on top. And then I feel like with this, my mind struggles with heels, if I'm being totally honest. And all I can see is like clear heels that would rock with this. Now, if I've got any ideas as to maybe what kind of shoes you would wear with this skirt, please leave it in the comment section down below, because I can only see one thing, and I'm sure there's multiple things I could wear with this. So give me your ideas in the comment section down below how you would style this skirt. I'd be really interested, because it might kind of give me expand on my own ideas. So yeah, let me know. But I absolutely adored this skirt. When I got it, I was pleasantly surprised. I thought the quality might be a bit iffy, but I can't wait to wear it. I literally can't wait to wear it. I mean, I just literally do work and home, so I don't know how that would go down in the office. But yeah, you know what I mean. What else am I gonna wear them? Tell me what I'm gonna wear. And that, my beautiful people, is the end of today's video. So let me know in the comment section down below which of these items were your favorite. And as I say, if you've got any ideas on how to, what shoes, I feel like I'm fine with what would go on up here, but when it comes to shoes, I'm struggling with the diamante skirt. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. As I said, anything I can find details for and links for, I will leave in the description box down below, so you can check that out. If you did make it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Please do not leave without hitting that red subscribe button down below. The channel is growing, and I'm really thankful for every single one of you out there that have recently subscribed to my channel, and for all you OGs that have been subscribed for the longest time, thank you so much for continuing to watch my videos and support. So yeah, please do make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you've got any questions, comments, anything like that at all, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'm not going to waffle any further. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. See ya.